Imagine a powerful storm bearing down, its mighty winds trying to rip your home apart. Have you ever wondered what makes some roofs stand firm while others succumb to the fury of nature? The secret often lies in something called roof reinforcement. Roof reinforcement directly prevents wind damage by strengthening the entire roof system, ensuring it stays securely attached to the rest of the house during high winds. This reinforcement helps it withstand the incredible uplift, shear, and pressure forces that storms exert. The primary mechanism involves countering the complex aerodynamic forces generated by wind moving over and around your home. As wind flows over your roof, it creates a powerful negative pressure, similar to how an airplane wing generates lift. Simultaneously, wind hitting the windward side of your house creates positive pressure underneath the roof overhang. This combination attempts to peel the roof off like the lid of a tin can. Reinforcement measures, such as hurricane clips or straps, act like strong mechanical hands, securely connecting the roof trusses and rafters to the wall structure, effectively resisting these lifting forces and keeping the entire roof assembly intact. To achieve this, roof reinforcement involves several key techniques. Upgraded fasteners secure the roof sheathing more firmly to the trusses, reducing the chance of individual panels detaching. Adding a sealed roof deck, often with a peel and stick membrane, prevents water intrusion even if shingles are lost, which is critical for protecting the home's interior. Finally, using impact-resistant shingles or specialized roofing materials can provide superior resistance to flying debris and general, wear from intense wind exposure. One fascinating aspect is the role of continuous load path engineering. This concept ensures that wind forces are transferred through a connected series of strong components, from the shingles, through the sheathing, framing, and ultimately into the home's foundation. Think of it as a strong chain where each link is robust, preventing a single point of failure from cascading into catastrophic damage. Modern building codes frequently incorporate these insights, requiring specific reinforcement details in high wind zones. Ultimately, investing in roof reinforcement is about fortifying your home's first line of defense against severe weather. It significantly enhances your property's resilience, safeguarding your family and belongings, and providing invaluable peace of mind when extreme winds threaten.